In this video, I want to talk about concatenation and repetition. What do they mean? What does concatenation mean? How to concatenate a string? Sometimes we have a string like this, A and B plus C and D. It is called concatenation in Python language. Let's assign this into A, and after that print this. Print A. I'm using string file. See, A, B, C, D. It is concatenated. So it is a string. String concatenation as well we can call. We have concatenated this. Let's have another example. A. Let's concatenate this with 7. Number 7. And again with B. What does it print? Or what does it show to us? Let's assign this into B. And now we want to print B. See? A, 7, B. Let's have another one. Let's have a string hello. Hello. And now we are using multiply 4. And let's assign this into C. Now print the C. What does it print? Can you guess? See? Hello, 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 hello. 4 times we have printed hello string. This is called concatenation. While we use plus, multiply, means math functions or operators while having a string, this is called concatenation. We can concatenate strings. So let's have an example about this. And this example will be an open string. And after that, a for loop for I in range of, for example, 5. And now I'm using a variable t. I assign input. I have an input from the user. Enter a letter. I'll take a letter from the user. And after that, I'm using an if statement here. If this t variable or the letter which we take from the user is equal to string A or equal to E, for example, we are using vowel. T is equal to I or T is equal to U or let's make it smaller, is equal to, indentation is must here, S is equal to S plus T. We have incremented here the T. So let's print this. Why I'm printing S? Because S is part of this for loop, not if statement. Indentation, I don't have indentation here, so this is part of for loop. Let's see what does it print, what does it show. So before that, I am explaining little this. So I want to clear this. So I have a variable S. It is an empty string, and after that I have a for loop I in range of 5. So this variable t is assigned to input, which takes a letter from the user. How many times? In the range of 5. it takes 5 letters from the user, and after that it checks whether this letter which it takes from the user, if it is A, E, I, U, O, if it is a vowel, any of them, then this empty string will be incremented with this T, which it takes from the user, the letter. So now I want to print this. Let's see what it shows to us. So I want to print this, enter a letter. I want to A, for example, Q is not a vowel. E, again A, I, see, A, E, A, I. It has printed the vowels one, not Q, because Q was not the vowel. So let's use a function here, function length, and after that I want to see that length of S, and I want to print the length as well. So I have saved this. See, A, it checks, it will show the vowels, and it will tell how many vowels are present, the length as well. E, for example, Q, W, I. See, A, E, I, these are vowels, and the length is 3.